Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of my Python Learning in 1 Month series. So this is just another short disclaimer in case you didn't see the first one. This video series is just marking my growth and if it's actually possible to learn Python in under a month. If you enjoy, please like and comment and subscribe if you really want to see some more of this, because I'm cranking it out every day of January, and then I'll probably continue after January. But January is guaranteed. Without further ado, I present you the video. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome to episode 2, or day 2 of my month-long Python learning thing. Today we're going to be working in chapter 2 of my book, and that's about interactive mode, getting help, and writing apps. So, interactive mode is this kind of thing in the terminal where you can kind of talk to Python, I guess. From my understanding, I skimmed over this last night, like I always do before I make these. But yeah, you can like ask for help and stuff like that, and you do that in the terminal. So, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to do a new file. Yeah, we're going to want to do a new file. And we're going to have to save as. It's going to take a second to pop up. There we go. And we're going to do .py. Alright, now that we have our .py, alright, now that that's pulled up, we have our Python thing. If you right click this, you should be able to run. And then we ran it in our interactive. And we are in the Python window. That's what I was trying to do. You can open this Python window and you can start typing in it. Alright, so so these dots are telling you when it's unsafe. There's dot there, there's dot there, and there's dot there. You can do Control S to save, I believe. And then you just click, and then save. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're here. This is where we wanna be. We wanna be in our Python workspace. So we have our terminal, and what we're gonna do is we're going to type Python. What the? Okay. We're gonna type Python -- version. Python was not found. Run without arguments to install from the Microsoft Minecraft App Store, or disable the shortcut from settings. Alright, we're not gonna worry about that right now. We're gonna do help. Are you kidding me? We're gonna do keywords. Alright, we're gonna do Python, because I think we need to install this off the Microsoft Store all of a sudden. Swear I downloaded this. So now we have this downloading. That should not take long. And if it does, oh well. Okay, that's finished. Alright, let's see if we can do it in here. So we're gonna type help. Welcome to Python 3.9 help utility. Okay, cool, so that works there. I'm gonna drag it over to my second monitor for a sec. We're gonna type help. That did not work. Fun. Alright, that's fine though. We can do keywords. It says it up here. And those are words that you can use in the parentheses of help. So we got false, none, true, peg parser, and as assert, all these cool things. And then you can do help. Let's do class. Alright, so this is squeeze text. I don't know how to access it. There we go. Alright. So this is like a brief summary of what each keyword does. You can use it to find out what it's doing as a quick little refresher if you don't want to look at the full online tutorial or something like that. It's just kind of like a quick refresh, like something to help you out a little bit. So that's helpful. We're gonna keep that on our second window. Alright. So for this thing, hold on. Alright, so it's gonna ask you to get your version, blah, blah, blah. Alright. Going into the Python interpreter, you just type in Python. That's what it says you do. So you do Python. Okay. And I think that's supposed to open this. I'm not sure though. Alright, so we're gonna do Python. Alright. So we'll help. Alright, there we go. Now it's working. Cool. Very cool. So now we have that all set up. That's cool. Now we can use the help and other commands in here. Now that we know how to do that, to exit, use this command. Alright, it says you can either use exit or you can type Python. I don't know if that's gonna work. Or it says you can use Control Z and then that's not working. Control Z and then return. Let's try it again. Alright, cool, that's how you do it. Control Z and then enter. I'm stupid. I thought return was a key for a second. I swear I know what I'm talking about. I swear I'm smart. Okay, so it also says in here, if you don't know, YouTube, the Bandit, or Stack Overflow are really good places to also get help. So that's a good place. Now we're gonna work on creating a development workplace, or workspace rather. So what you want to do is you want to go to File, and then you want to go to Save Workspace As. Alright, now here's what you're gonna want to do. You're gonna want to go to the folder you want it in. I'm gonna go to my programming folder. I'm gonna go to Visual Studio. I'm gonna make a new folder. Python. I'm gonna click in here. And I'm gonna save. I probably should have went one further and done Python Workspace. But, alright. Okay. So, what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna go on Windows, choose File, Preferences, Settings, File, Preferences, Settings. Alright, and then we're going to go alright, it says click the 3 dots. Turns out, no, you don't click the 3 dots, because that's an outdated book, and it sucks, and I hate it. Yeah, I spent like, about 2 or 3, maybe 5 minutes? I don't know, who wants to keep track? Not me. I just clipped it all out. Yeah, apparently you just search it in the search bar now. That's pretty great. Alright, this is what we were looking for. We were looking for where our Python path was. So I guess that's what you do instead of what this book says. Yeah, in the next window, select the entire line of code that starts with Python path, this Python.Python path. This tells VS Code where to find the Python interpreter on your computer. You can also select any other command lines that you'd like to make part of the workplace, but do not select the curly braces. Okay. Yeah, guess what happened again? Tried to use the book, and all I had to do was use the search bar. One more time, again. Beautiful. Man, I'm having so much fun. This is gonna be great. Alright, so we're gonna go to settings.json. Is this it? I feel like this is it. It was not it. There we go. There, that's what we were looking for. See, I'm smart. Alright. So, we go to folders, and then we go settings, and after the curly bracket we put what we copied. Right. Folders, settings. And then it's extra paths, Python.Python path, and then something is not right here. No, really, you think something's wrong when everything's red? No, that's so strange. There's something wrong with you, man. Everything must be just clear. But luckily, I'm so intelligent that I figured it out by, just changing the command. I looked in the book. Man, I am so smart. I say after deleting something that turns out to probably be very crucial. Look how smart I am! See, I'm learning. Alright, and now we're gonna put this back, because I don't want it to turn out that's bad. Expected comma, colon expected, so that's 9. 3. Are there any quick fixes? No. I'm just gonna snip that from my code. This is my settings code. If anything bad happens, I can just delete everything and start all over. And now I guess Control S. Okay, cool, that's working. Alright, so now we have that set up. I have no idea what that did. Alright, close the settings, then use your settings tab by clicking X on the right reach. Close VS Code, close Anaconda. I don't have Anaconda, I'm not closing VS Code. Okay. So, creating a folder for your Python code. Open Anaconda and choose File, Add Folder to Workspace. We already did this. I believe we did this. You are wrong. No, you did not. Alright, so we're gonna go from the VS Code menu, choose File, Open Workspace. Okay. File, Open Workspace. I assume we click that. If not, oh well. Alright. Navigate to the folder where you gotta choose the file, and then add folder to workspace. Alright. Add folder to workspace. Alright. Navigate to the folder in which you've created the AIO Python folder. Click the folder's icon and choose add. Alright. So we're gonna go to programming. My AIO Python is just called Python, I believe. Alright, cool. Alright. Navigate to the folder. Okay, we already did that. Alright. If you close VS Code, no. Alright, I think we're cool actually. I'm gonna get rid of my desktop workspace now because I don't need it. If I can figure out how. File. That was a mistake, and it took me way too long to actually figure out how to get back my workspaces and everything I just did. Nice. Alright, so now we have that all set up. We're gonna go File, Open Workspace, and then Open Your Workspace. File, Open Workspace, and then you just go here, and then you open it, and then it's right there. So cool, we have that all set up. Nice. Alright. So this is going to be the last little thing. It's typing, editing, and debugging. We're going to have our Explorer pane open. This is this thing. You can tell because it says Explorer. Make a new file in your folder. And we're going to call it hello.py. And we're going to close that. Alright. Alright, the new file opens, and you can see its name on top of the tab to the right, the larger area, whatever. Alright, so you can see it here and here. That's basically what it's saying. That's your open editors, and that's stuff that's in your workspace. So that's cool. Alright. Click next to the one in the editing arrow, and type in basically the thing that you type in any programming language. And then Control S for save, and then let's see if it works. Let's go run, start debugging. Python file. Yep, that didn't work either. After I reset my freaking workspace, it decided that it didn't want to work, it didn't want to run. It did not want to run what I wrote. Unless it was in the interactive window. So I troubleshot that for a bit, and I figured it out. Basically I had to make a new file of some sort, and yeah, that ended up working. Alright, now it's working. Cool, we have that all set up. And then that's the thing. Then we can just click out of it, and then it's there. The last thing here is Jupyter Notebook, but I don't think we're gonna do that today. That'll be for a later date. If we decide to do it, I don't know. Jupyter Notebook is kind of like an online VS Code, I guess. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching, and there will be another video on this tomorrow.